This is the W204 C63, which is one of the best AMGs ever made. It's got the legendary 6.2 litre naturally aspirated V8 engine that all AMG fans absolutely adore. It's definitely going to be a future classic.
This is not just any old C63, this one has a full Black Series body kit. Just look at these huge flared wheel arches, and the front bumper is stunning. The kit continues down the side with big side skirts which connect up to these massive arches at the back of the car. This makes it feel so wide with some serious road presence. The flare continues here at the back with this huge rear spoiler. Then at the bottom we have the squared off quad exhaust from a custom Akrapovic exhaust system. The car has also had a full respray in the authentic Black Series colour Solar Beam Yellow. It has a special pearlescent finish which looks stunning under these lights. The guys at Silso Prestige have done an amazing job at bringing this Black Series conversion to life. I just can't express how stunning this car looks in person.
Inside we have the classic W204 C-Class interior, and well guys, it's still a great place to be. We've got this steering wheel which is not quite circular. We've got the classic gear shifter which just feels really cool in your hand. These dials still look great. We've got the integrated screen here in the middle. All the buttons are lovely as well. Got these sporty seats too. It's just a really nice place to be guys, and it still holds up today. I know what you guys want to hear. Let's start it up and listen to that naturally aspirated V8 engine. Oh. Oh, that was just comfort mode. Let's put it in Sport Plus. It sounds insane. Okay, so here we are in the C63 W204 naturally aspirated V8 engine, and it's very quick and very torquey. I have been dying to drive one of these. I am so excited. We're currently in comfort mode, cruising. Pretty comfortable actually, surprisingly comfortable for such an extreme car, and an older Mercedes Benz as well. But wow, how stunning does this car look on the road? What a presence. I mean, I'm just looking around and I can see the yellow, the giant spoiler in the back. Let's pop it into Sport Plus. Oh my God, Sport Plus. Oh shit. Oh, it's got so much raw power. Oh wow. This is something else, guys. They do not build cars like this anymore. Oh, that pull from that naturally aspirated V8 is insane, and just listen to it. Oh, that is something else. And again, just that road presence, this thing just looks insane. It's so wide. Ooh, wow. Now this is just a quick drive, but if you guys enjoy this video, we can do a full review of this car because it is incredible inside and out. The work they've done on this conversion, I mean, it's not got the Black Series engine, but it looks like a Black Series. Oh, I could just listen to that V8 all day. Let's get round this big roundabout and see how she handles. These have been known to be quite tail happy. Oh, raw power. It's just so good. Brakes are good in here as well. Everything seems to be in perfect order. There's just something about a naturally aspirated engine that is just like nothing else. Just the torque. There's no delay or turbo at all. And I can see a lot of people are looking at me. This is not a subtle car by any means. Let's try open the window a little bit. It's a little bit too windy. Oh, guys, if you've never driven a W204 C63, you have got to get yourself inside one. Because it is just an absolute animal. Oh. Oh dear, I wish they still built this engine. This is masterful, this engine. Let's try it in manual mode. Just getting used to the display here. Oh, those gear shifts. Now this car is not known for having the best gearbox, but it's not really about that. This car is about that raw power and just everything is so raw. The engine, the interior is simple as well. I quite like the interior from this generation. It's not over the top, it's clean, it's comfortable, seats are good, just overall. You can see in my face how excited I am. Oh. Oh, those gear shifts are brutal. Right, let's put it in Sport Plus, back from manual, and just have one more fun drive down here and just watch the smile on my face and listen to the engine. This car is just like nothing I've ever driven. Those gear shifts. It's so angry. And I just love it.
A huge thank you to Silso Prestige Motors for letting me drive and share this amazing C63 with you all. This car is currently for sale. If you're on the hunt for a special C63, then you must come down and take a look at it. For more details on this car, visit their website or call the number on screen to contact them if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.